All right. So look around you. What do you see? No everyday things, right? Well, that's the problem. Most of the stuff is made out of plastic, and plastic is so ingrained in our lives that it is beginning to harm us. It harms not only your body, but the environment and the water quality of the water that we consume. Uh, this causes it to be very detrimental to human life. So that is why we need to begin to push it out of our lives. I'm going to go ahead and explain to you why it's bad to your base. Well, inside of the human body, plastic has several chemicals that it releases. PVC being one, BPA being the other, and these act as pseudohormones. These pseudohormones mimic estrogen inside of the human body. Estrogen will harm the development of males. They will become infertile. It happens to attack males when they're in the fetus stage of development and when they hit puberty. So there's two different areas where they can severely be damaged. Moving on to the environment. The environment is harmed by plastic because of the natural ecosystems involved. The animals at the very bottom of the ecosystem that feed off of plants and everything like that mistake plastic for plants, and they eat this plastic. This causes them to die because it releases a lot of chemicals inside of their body. It releases a lot of chemicals inside of the body. So, when they die, the animals higher up in the food chain don't have anything to feed on. That's a problem because it starts a domino effect, and the whole food chain begins to die, and that's bad for humans. Well, that's not the only problem involved with plastic. Moving on to water. Our water is plastic, we're just constantly going into it. And the oceans, the world's oceans, there's 5 major gyres where all this plastic is accumulating, and therefore it's being ingrained into the water cycle. And the water cycle is carrying all the toxins and chemicals involved with plastic back to us and just dropping it on us through rain. This is an issue because it just causes a perpetuality of all the problems that the environment has to deal with and man has to deal with. So we really need to start now getting plastic out of our lives so that we can continue to thrive in the civilization that we have. Because if we don't, it will cause major problems for us in the future. Plastic can be, and that's it.